In the modern service economy, consumers have shifted spending. They're no longer paying for chores, they are paying to buy back their time. For a typical household, doing laundry consumes anywhere from 5 to 11 hours every single week. This includes the repetitive cycles of sorting, washing, drying, folding, and organizing. Assigning a conservative $25 an hour opportunity cost to that labor means a professional loses over $100 a week simply by processing their own clothes. Traditional brick-and-mortar laundromats are poorly positioned to capture this market. They rely on passive walk-in traffic and high commercial leases, requiring the customer to still perform the manual labor. The mobile laundry model targets a different demographic: affluent professionals who value time over a premium per pound rate. As urban professionals prioritize convenience, the market has responded. Subscription-based laundry plans grew by 26% in 2023 alone, a sharp divergence from the stagnant revenue of traditional walk-in facilities. Transitioning customers onto a weekly pickup schedule moves the business away from sporadic orders and into a predictable model for monthly recurring revenue. This business model functions as a high-margin, time arbitrage logistics machine. Every laundry founder faces a core operational choice: invest heavily in physical assets or launch with an asset-light framework. The asset-heavy method carries a high financial burden. Residential utility upgrades and commercial washers require a minimum $15,000 to $25,000 investment, while a full retail build-out can easily reach six figures. The arbitrage method provides a strategic alternative. Instead of funding heavy machinery, you focus capital on a wholesale partner, a transport vehicle, and your tech stack. You negotiate a wholesale rate with a commercial laundromat, redirecting saved capital directly into logistics and customer acquisition. By outsourcing the actual cleaning, you own the premium customer relationship and the high-margin delivery route without the overhead of maintaining physical hardware. Bypassing these initial costs forces your startup capital into the parts of the business that actually generate revenue: marketing and delivery efficiency.
This video contains affiliate links. I have a relationship with the brands in this video and earn a referral fee when you shop through the links in the description below. Before we dive into the exact state steps and paperwork, let's talk about your foundation. You absolutely cannot build a successful brand or protect your personal assets without a properly structured legal entity. Most people try to launch as a sole proprietor or cut corners on their initial state filings. And that is exactly why they face massive personal liabilities or get their applications rejected by the Secretary of State. Your business must be a legitimate, separate legal entity. That's where Busy comes in. Busy is the absolute best formation service out there, handling your entire LLC or corporation setup for just $0 plus state fees. They take care of all the heavy legal lifting for you, filing your official articles of organization, providing your legally required registered agent service, and setting up your ongoing compliance alerts, so you never miss a state deadline. This step is non-negotiable if you want to operate legally and protect your wealth. I've linked my full in-depth review of Busy in the description, so you can see exactly why they are my top recommendation. Make sure to use my link down below to register your business through Busy today, which will also unlock exclusive discounts and perks. Get your legal foundation handled first. And then, let's get into the step.
Handling thousands of dollars of customer property daily creates significant liability. Without the correct legal protections, a single accident or property dispute can end the business. Forming a limited liability company is the first defensive step. An LLC shields your personal assets from business lawsuits, debt, or homeowners association violations involving your delivery vehicle. Once the state registers your entity, you apply for a federal tax ID, or EIN, through the IRS. This number is required to open commercial bank accounts and manage payroll. The online IRS application tool has rigid constraints. It enforces a strict 15-minute inactivity timeout, requires you to complete the application in a single session, and is only accessible during restricted operating hours. You can use your EIN to secure 0% interest business credit cards. This provides the liquidity needed for vehicle wraps, legal fees, and your launch marketing. Standard commercial general liability insurance contains a major gap. It does not cover property owned by customers while it is in your care. To fill this gap, you need Bailey's customer coverage. As this diagram shows, this specific inland marine policy protects customer garments from theft, fire, or water damage, costing an average of $736 a year for $100,000 in coverage. This legal and financial framework provides the defensive structure necessary to scale the business without exposing yourself to existential risk. In a mobile service business, route density is the primary driver of profitability. This map illustrates the danger of scattered stops. Chaotic, crisscrossing red lines waste fuel and bleed driver labor. Routing software solves this by batching pickups by zip code. The chaotic lines instantly stamp into a single, optimized green loop, maximizing stops per hour. To maintain lead flow, you must automate your communication stack. A missed call text-back system ensures potential customers are engaged immediately, even while you are on the road. The fulfillment process relies on digital, weight-based invoicing. This information is generated and sent to the customer as soon as the order is weighed at the door. This integrated system automatically bills the saved credit card on file upon delivery. This eliminates accounts receivable delays and the need to manually collect payments. This integrated tech stack replaces manual scheduling and payment chasing with a frictionless, predictable logistics engine. Building a dense route requires moving away from broad advertising and toward a hyper-local ground game. You must first optimize your Google business profile to dominate local search results for laundry services in your specific target area. Local SEO ranking depends on a consistent stream of feedback. This logic tree shows the automation. Every delivery completed node triggers a 10-minute delay, followed by an automated SMS review request, which generates the 5-star ratings needed to rank. High volumes of these automated reviews signal authority to Google's ranking algorithms, placing your business at the top of organic local searches. You can then layer on Facebook radius ads, limiting the reach exclusively to high-income zip codes, where customers prioritize time over cost. Physical marketing also plays a role. Door hanger campaigns at luxury apartment complexes target residents without in-unit laundry and have high disposable income. Combining automated digital SEO with targeted physical marketing ensures your customer acquisition budget is focused only on high-yield neighborhoods. Maintaining a 35% net profit margin requires a strict focus on unit economics. The target retail price should be between $2 and $2.50 per pound, or use a predictable flat rate per bag. Calculate margins using the cost per order formula, tracking weight, processing costs, distance, vehicle overhead, and labor. Starting from the retail price peak, subtract wholesale fees, fuel, software, and labor. The remaining block at the bottom of this waterfall chart is your net profit. High route density protects this profit margin by drastically reducing the variable cost of every single mile driven. Once the individual order is profitable, you can look at the lifetime value of a single recurring household. A family spending $120 a week on a laundry subscription generates over $6,000 in annual revenue. On an optimized route, acquiring just 50 of these recurring clients can replace a 6-figure corporate salary without the need to ever own a physical laundry plant. Today, the modern laundry industry operates as an asset-light, tech-driven logistics blueprint, perfectly designed to buy back human time.